Today we're going to go over everything it took for us to decorate our boat for our annual boat parade over the Labor Day weekend. We go from designing the actual the boat and the thought process and ideas into what it took to plan and design it, to actually executing it and sourcing the materials, talking through some of the design choices and sort of how we came up with what we did, all the way to the performances and ultimately floating on the lake. And, you know, who knows, maybe even taking first place. You'll have to watch and see what happens. But this is a fun one. You know, I couldn't find any tips on this on YouTube. I couldn't find anybody decorating things for boats. So I thought it was good to just show what it took for us to do it. Maybe inspire some people to get out there and do a little bit of boat decorating themselves. Okay, now if you notice the moving lights that we have, those are from Amazon. Now they are plugged into a DMX controller being controlled by Travis here on the computer, so that's a little advanced. But aside from that, we have LED tape and a few other elements, so we're just about ready to go. Okay guys, a few key takeaways here. Number one, make sure that you have a clear concept that you're going after. In our case, we were going after the idea that we were in a bathtub full of bubbles with some rubber duckies. So our costumes were bath attire, what you wear for a bath, and then we had the bubbles, which were the balloons, and then the rubber duckies. That was it. That was the concept. We followed it. And, you know, with the lighting and with the special effects, we were able to make it really magical. So the key is follow the concept and then source the items that you need from simple places like Amazon or Walmart or Meijer, whatever you need, but just think simply with it. Lake Warrior and his crew pulled it off, first place. We're really proud. We got a lot of work to do this year too. New ones coming. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and obviously smash the like. This is Lake Warrior. Stay tuned for some more great content this summer.